Perhe family, Sokolaiset relatives, Vanhemet parents, Lapsi child, Lapset children, Aviomies husband. Avio that means married, mies that means man. So Aviomies husband, Vaimo wife, Isa father, Aiti mother, Tutar daughter, Poika, son, Cisco, sister, Veli, brother, Iso, Isa, grandfather. Iso that means old, Isa that means father. Iso, Aiti, grandmother. Iso, Vanhemat, grandparents, because Vanhemat that means parents. Tutaren Tuta, granddaughter. Poyan Poika, grandson. Seta, uncle. Serku, cousin.